Look guys, my fashion for today. Ayan guys, I really love my outfit for today guys. One of my favorite color. Ayan, the red color guys. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, I'm here at the mall guys. Ayan, walking at the mall. Ang daming tao guys. Oh. And I feel so beautiful today. Ayan guys, feeling model na naman ako. Ayan, because of my outfit. I really love it. Ayan, for only 350 pesos guys. Ayan, I really love the color of my dress now guys. I really love it. Pack na pack yan. I'm so happy naman talaga guys sa aking dress for today. Because, ayan o, ang ganda ko guys. I'm feeling beautiful today. O diba? I really love it. Pack na pack yan. Ayan guys, nakatingin sila sa akin guys. Ayan. I feel shy. Gusto ko sanang rumampa guys. Kaya lang ang dami nakatingin sa akin. Ayan, kaya naman. Ayan o. O diba? Pack na pack yan.